Is it possible to turn $17 into thousands of dollars? Specifically, we're talking about making money online, and yes, there is a component of using AI to make this happen. This is also a niche profits secrets review. Now, this website or this sales page, secret website plus selling weird digital items equal hefty profits in any niche. This product is pure genius with hundreds of people verified to be making over six figures. That is true. Now, inside of niche profit secrets, one of the things that I don't like, just like I really don't like the sales page and the fact that they're hiding the website, but we're going to talk about that a little bit more here in a second, is I don't like the way that they introduce their product. And the first thing that they do is tell you to do all these other things. Join a school community, become an elite member, register for a special event, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to that channel. Don't miss out on all of the OTOs. And if you don't know what an OTO is, that's simply a component of a funnel where it is a one-time offer or it is an upsell. And I want to let you know that I don't endorse any of the upsells after you purchase the $17 product, because Niche Profit Secrets will uncover a secret website only if it's a secret, or it's only a secret if you don't know about it. But the idea and the focus here is, if you click the link in the description, it'll take you over to my bonus page. And I have a bonus here showing you how I use this secret website, but also my proven top strategy, because Niche Profit Secrets empowers you to reach millions of buyers, allowing you to sell easy products in any niche, is true with this secret website. But if you already know and you have seen this website before, you can tell here by these screenshots where they blurred out these products. And that's another important aspect of this, is they've done this research for you. But this product is just $17. The real value here is learning by making sure that you focus on the information that they share with you and don't get caught up in the hype of what this site is or the secret that you're trying to sell you behind the site. Understand that when you buy this product for $17, the link in the description takes you over to my bonus page. When you buy this secret site, or when you buy this information that tells you about this secret site, and I'll just be straight up, I have products. Here you can see the site. I have my own products on this secret website. I sell PDFs and other training over on this secret website. Again, you can look here and you can see this page. And after seeing this page, you probably know what this secret website is. Again, by going back to the sales page and seeing the screenshots that they have of real products that are making real money. And you can see all this for $17. But again, I'm just endorsing this product for the front end, because what I want you to focus on down here is, and let me just highlight this real quick, or let me draw a little bit. I want you to focus on this part right here where they talk about easy products to create and let's upload your very first product. They're going to take you through research that they've already done. They're going to take you through research they've already done and show you products that are being successful. One thing they are going to tell you, which I don't like at all in this easy product creation, is that AI can do it all for you. That's not true. Inside of my bonus, I squashed that myth like I always do here on the channel. But it's very valuable to see this research for the $17 that you're going to pay for it. And when you get my bonus, you're going to see exactly how I break all this down to include this one, easy product number 4, which I'm going to give you right now, is selling Notion templates. So they also give you access to a full course on Notion templates. So once you get inside of the product, you get my bonus. You'll also get this Notion templates product, and you'll click that button and it'll take you over to a product that they have called Notion Millions. And this is a really good product. Again, make sure to check out the funnel for the upgrades. Again, they're upselling you. Just ignore that. Find focus and understand that you are only going to spend $17 to get this information, to turn this knowledge into thousands, to include my bonus to show you exactly how I do it. And you're going to get this Notion templates product, which is really good. Like, it's really good to be able to focus on the idea and be able to separate that you can sell Notion templates. You might not make millions. You probably won't make millions, but for $17, you can turn this into thousands of dollars by understanding the training that they provide here and following up with it. By understanding and seeing my bonus and following up with the information I give you, my bonus link in the description, you're going to spend $17, $17 right here, and you're going to focus on the fact that they are giving you a secret website. They're going to identify the website. They got a big reveal. But understand that I do sell products, like I showed you and like I said, I sell products on this site as well. So understand that for $17, you're getting this cool training. But again, I want you to focus on the fact that there are tons of products or OTOs or upsells. I just want you to focus on niche profit secrets for $17. If you buy the rest of the funnel, that's up to you. If you get compelled by the marketing and sucked in, I can't really help that. And I'm not going to say that any of this other information isn't as good as the $17 information, but I want you to spend $17 and learn the secret website. I'll show you how I use it. I'll show you how you can make it even more powerful. And like I said, they've done the research on these products and these product ideas to include the Notion templates and the additional training that they're giving you, all for $17. This is how you make it happen. Now, I will say also, again, focusing on the fact that Niche Profit Secrets is sold by James Renoff, and hopefully I pronounced his name correctly. Now, he is in the business of selling information products. Just like me, I sell information products. He launches about a product a month. Now, understand that all of these products show you something. All of his products show you something. Now, they all use this same sort of blind copy where they have a secret and they're going to show you how to unlock, right, multi-thousands of dollars. There is work to be done, and I show you that in my bonus. And making money online, I'm not ever going to say it's easy like most folks do, but I am going to tell you that it's simple. And when you spend $17 and you take the knowledge that you find in this $17 product from the people that created this, the product vendors, James and Max, when you take that investment of $17 with an open mind, but with a mind that is clear and has complete focus on turning your $17 into thousands, by taking the information in their product to include their Notions template training and the other products that they're going to show you, and then take my bonus training and really understand how to utilize AI in the correct way, which I show you inside of my bonus, you are going to be able to, if you actually take action on this information, if you follow through, if you step back, find focus and realize it's not about faster, it's about focus, check out my bonus. Check out the link in the description. It takes you over to my bonus. I'm going to walk you through my proven top strategy and how to apply it to the $17 that you spent and how to actually turn it into thousands, which is by the way, which is the exact same way that I make thousands of dollars here online myself. All right. So check out the link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. Pick it up, $17. Just grab the front end, log in, check out my bonus. You're going to see exactly what you need to do to turn your $17 into thousands of dollars. And of course, part of my bonus is, if you have any questions, you'll have my email address. You can just send me an email and ask me what I think about your idea, and we'll brainstorm together, and we will turn your $17 investment into thousands of dollars if and when you take action. Link in the description. Check out my bonus page. Thanks for checking out this one, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.